Hi guys, hello, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Lola. So today I will work on 3 tables and 3 of them is kinda in a bad shape. So I want to give them a new life. So stay with me and let's do something today guys. So here it is guys, this is actually not a table, it's actually a filing cabinet, but well yeah, we can use that as a table too, right? So it's a melamine and it's very dirty and I don't like the color, so I will change the color and my husband can use it in his office to put all his files and all of his stuff there. And this is the second one. Like you can see, this is in a very bad shape and there's a lot of water damage and I have to even fix the legs because some parts are missing, and yeah, it needs a lot of TLC, this guy, but I'll do it. I'll make it pretty again. So this is the last one, the third table. This is actually not in the bad shape, it's just full of scratches on the surface, on the top. So I will just give it a new color and make it look like new and pretty again. Oh yeah guys, it's actually my neighbor's table. So now of course, before we start anything, we need to clean the piece. I clean all these 3 tables or 2 tables and 1 filing cabinet. Well, let's just say this all tables, okay? I clean them all, I give them a good scrub, and after that I will remove their hardware so I can start to work on the piece. So I'm removing all the hardware from these 3 tables. I will give them a different color, and for the filing cabinet table, I will change the knob. So now I'm sanding all my pieces. I don't want to sand them to a bare wood. I just want to rough the surface so my paint can adhere better to the piece. For this end table, I put speckle earlier off camera and now I will try to sand it, especially on the leg part, to make it smooth and level to the wood. For this table, you can see that this piece is glossy, so I'm just trying to rub it up so my paint can adhere better to the piece. So guys, now you can see that I work on my last piece already, because I just realized when I edit this video I lose a lot of footage. I don't know what happened. It was raining and I moved all my stuff back in the house, and I just don't have the proof that I painted the other two tables, but hey, stuff happens, right? Basically, I painted them with chalk paint, a black color from Bear. For the table I'm working on right now, it's a sage green color from Bear. I give it 2 coats of paint for this table. So I'm back to the end table. I'm using different paint for the top. I'm using paint from Glidden because I ran out of my chalk paint from Bear. So it's okay, they're both black. So for the filing cabinet, the table filing cabinet, I'm using a contact paper to put on the shelf and in the drawers just to make it look prettier, like with a pop of color. You can see that this is not my hand. Yeah, this is my husband's hand. He helps me with this. And I got this contact paper from Home Depot. For this green table, I put wallpaper inside the drawer because I think it's pretty and it's really pop. I got this wallpaper from thrift shop. So you can see that my husband helped me in this process because obviously I need extra pair of hands. And yeah, I just realized that we both covering the camera, and I hope you still can see what's going on there. Once it's all done, I seal all my paints on my 3 pieces with Paratain. I give them 2 coats each, but on the top I put 3 coats. Alright guys, that's it for the project today. I hope you enjoy it. By the way, which one is your favorite? Don't forget to leave that in the comment, okay? Thank you so much for visiting my channel and watching my video. See you on my next project. Ta-da!